Okay, Nifty की weekly closing हुई है with a very huge wick on the upside, a very small body and a very small wick on the downside. It usually seems bearish. ठीक है? And then I read a tweet. It was hilarious. Nifty bottom confirmed now at 22,930. You won't see this price again. This is a very strong level. This is the bottom for this week. And then there are comments that this week is the key. And everybody's like, peak detailing, sir. Like, you should keep markets on a lighter end. For investment portfolios, ये levels हैं painful, which is undeniable. कुछ नहीं कर सकते हैं उस चीज का. Nifty was stable for the past 1.5 years. If we look at the weekly, monthly time frames, then now we saw corrections. अगर मैं आज आपको ये बोलूं कि that it's a retracement, it is not a correction. It is still a retracement. You won't believe me, but for the levels right now, it actually is a retracement. Deeper retracement है, but it is a retracement. If we look at the weekly, monthly charts right now ना, कुछ भी इतना bearish नहीं लग रहा है अभी भी charts पे कि आपको डर लगना शुरू हो जाए. The portfolios might be bleeding, but I can see the broader picture. And then, as I normally also say, that market always rewards the people who are able to go through the pain, and it always is painful for some people who are able to just guess that pain, maybe at times take that pain earlier, always remain in bigger, better picture in comparison to the people जो नहीं accept करते losses at an earlier stage. They don't know the concept of cutting the losses. ठीक है, ये बात मैं investment के लिए नहीं बोल रही हूँ. I'm also talking about people carrying puts, calls and getting from one position to another just because they want this idea in their mind कि हमने loss book नहीं किया या हम loss book नहीं करेंगे, they'll average or something like that, या तो average करेंगे या position hopping करेंगे. Just accept it. ठीक है? There are situations which can get out of your hands. It doesn't mean कि आप उसके unacceptable end पे रहोगे. It doesn't really end well in markets. That is, I think, the biggest problem जो लोगों को इस correction में feel हुई होगी. I still not think it's a crash. ठीक है? We are at 9-10% downside, but it didn't happen in one day. A crash is like when it happens in a single day. It's a correction. Corrections are healthy. Corrections eventually lead to bigger, better, more stable growth because they get rid of the weak hands in the market. आपको अभी भी दिखेगा that when this correction will end, a lot of weak hands will be swiped out. And it will be visible to you on the charts, on the smaller time frames. It will be visible to you on the higher time frames. It's not something that is happening today or tomorrow. हमेशा से ये होता आ रहा है.